Good day, everyone. We have quite a unique question here, and it goes as follows. If humid air is polluted by chlorine discharge, the air can be restored by sprinkling A. Solid manganese dioxide, B. Acidified potassium permanganate, C. Acidified iron 2 sulfate, and D. Saturated sodium chloride solution. Okay, a quick one. The truth is, chlorine is highly oxidizing. And the question is indirectly asking us which one of these options is a reducing agent such that through redox reaction, harmless products will be formed such that the chlorine will end up being removed from the humid air. So out of all of them, A is oxidizing, B is oxidizing. The answer is C, iron 2 sulfate, which is reducing in nature, okay? It reacts with the chlorine that's oxidizing to form harmless products. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.